Monroe County in east central Ohio, western Wendell County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodsfield, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Woodsfield, Sardis, Bealsville, Clarington, Louisville, Jerusalem, Cameron, Antioch, Stafford, Grayville, Miltonsburg, and Lyons. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Excuse me.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988